In March 1888, one of the most ferocious storms hit the eastern United States, paralyzing cities under drifts of snow up to 50 feet deep. Known as the Great Blizzard of 1888, this tempest unleashed wind gusts reaching 45 miles per hour, creating a whiteout that obliterated any semblance of day-to-day life. New York City was brought to a standstill as transportation halted, telegraph lines snapped, and chaos reigned, with power outages casting the city into darkness. The disaster, which claimed over 400 lives, underscored the urgent need for modernized infrastructure and paved the way for major technological advances, such as underground electrical lines. This legendary storm remains a critical lesson in disaster readiness and urban resilience, forever altering how we prepare for winter's wrath.